So it's 12 o'clock right now. It's my lunch break. I think I'm just gonna eat leftovers just because I have to get rid of it. So I'm gonna eat some leftover kimchi jjigae with pop, and then I think I'm gonna like just steam some edamame because I I need to eat fiber, and those are the only kinds of beans that I like. So yeah, I'll be eating that. She has thickened up quite a bit, unfortunately, because it's been a day or two. So it's more like instead of jjigae, but bon appetit. They're okay. What the frick? Hello everyone, it's actually the middle of my workday, but I just wanted to unbox this on camera. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, so it's like 7 o'clock now. I'm gonna make some naengmyeon for me and my sister. I'm gonna make piri naengmyeon, and I'm gonna have some samgyeopsal to go with it. My sister's not here though because she's sickly. So I will be cooking, and then I think we're gonna watch some Supernatural while we eat. Is it spicy?
Well,
let me just eat this. Let me just eat this. Jovi.
On occasion. But whatever he did, it is bad mojo. Old pictures of him, secret gravesite. And a nuke well. Then there was.
Oh my gosh, it was warm and cold at the same. It was warm and cold at the same time, Oma. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, that was so nasty. Hello everybody, it is Tuesday. I am eating borlamsam for lunch today. Don't mind the orange hat. I just look really crusty, or my hair looks really crusty right now. So I decided to wear a hat today to cover that up. But I will shower later, I promise. I usually never eat anything this complicated for lunch, but my very generous mother, I wanted to eat borlamsam, and she just pre-made everything for me, and the rest of my family is going to eat it later for dinner, but I will not be joining them because I am going to see a movie later today. I'm going to watch The Challengers. I had no interest in watching that movie actually until I saw one of the TikTokers that I follow who does movie reviews say it was pretty good. So I'm going to watch that later today, and I am a little excited, I guess. I checked the booking for the theater earlier today, and sadly, even though it's been a few weeks since the movie has come out, the theater's pretty filled. I usually purposely try and pick or watch movies at a later date than the original release date, so the theater's pretty empty, but this is not the case for today, but that's okay. Oh no, it's pretty sticky already. Where I'm pretty good at this usually. Bon appetit. Okay, so the plan was to eat 2 because that's usually how many I eat, but I'm actually kind of full right now, so I'm gonna clean all this up. Yeah, I made 6 balls, but my sisters can eat these later and my mom can eat these later. But so recently I've been into making strawberry syrup because I like to drink strawberry milk a lot in the summertime, and whenever I do go out and some cafes happen to have strawberry milk, they sell it for like $20 billion, even though it's just strawberry syrup and milk. So I have been making my own recently. This is just some leftover from the previous time I made it. Oh, so good. pastry number 2. Okay.
Makeup by the phone for you when you are hitting on with the
It's gonna take it again. I just finished washing up, and low-key, I feel like the ramen is not agreeing with my stomach right now, so hopefully I'm okay in the morning. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is 8:48. I don't know if I had mentioned this earlier, but I typically don't eat breakfast, mainly because I'm already up. I just roll out of bed and then I log onto my computer to work, and I don't usually want to eat breakfast. My stomach always hurts no matter what I eat, unless it's something really light or if it's just fruit or something like that. But last night my sister was like, I'm gonna make a smoothie tomorrow morning, and I was like, I don't believe you. But she woke up early and she made a smoothie and she gave some to me, so I will be eating this. It is a strawberry smoothie. Is the kimchi bokkeumbap, and I'm actually really hungry, so hopefully it tastes pretty good. I think I did a good job. So I'm actually going to Richmond tomorrow in the afternoon because a lot of my friends are graduating and I want to see their graduations, but I don't know if I'm going to film while I'm there just because I don't like filming in front of other people that are like not my, I guess like my sisters and my mom, because it's, I don't know, I feel really awkward and like kind of self-conscious, even though my friends know that I do make videos and like to vlog sometimes. I don't know, I just feel very socially awkward, but if I do happen to go out and eat a lot, I probably will film, just not as extensively as I have been the past few days, but just an FYI.
and you have to cook the rice.
Yes. I just filmed myself putting all of it in and I didn't press record.
남편이 여기를 와 앉아 또 이렇게 뭔가 구체적인 그런 이야기가 이어져 없을 것 같다. 저랑 아이들이 가서 어머니 아버님도 계시고 그런 그런 걸 그냥 아버님께서 남편분이 하나라고 좀 넘겨주고 아버님께 부탁을 드리고 우리가 생각하는 질문과
Strawberry lemonade.
그래서 아합의 집에 속해 있는 그 왕자 시스리를 해서 다 소형을 시켰잖아요. 그런데 그런 얘기가 이제는
Good afternoon, everybody. So I did not feel like cooking today, or at least right now. Again, because I have to go on a drive later, and I'm dreading the drive because driving to Richmond sucks. But there was pop freshly made, so I just decided to make this. It's not even like cooking, but this is something I used to eat as a kid all the time. It's just pop and kimchi, and my mom would always like pre-make it like this, and I don't know if it's just a me thing. It might just be a me thing, like a preference thing. But I don't know, it gets really good when it's like kind of soggy, just a little bit just sitting like this. So that's why I usually just roll it instead of just, you know, doing that and then eating it. Yeah, this is like one of my favorite childhood snacks, I guess, slash meals that I used to eat when I was little. So good. 맛있다. Alright, an unusual lunch today, Hwani. Pop with gogi, 컵라면, 오뎅 and 떡 반찬, and 떡볶이, and kimchi. Oh. What the fart? He's having a moment. Bro, oh, he's ripped.
Why is he ripped?
Naked.
You're naked. Hello. Glowing.
Oh wait, it's too hot. Dokkook. Dokkook. Yummy yummy. Oh, it's dripping. Kimchi.
뭐 하는지 안 나와? 내가 뭐 애들 낳기 좀 쌀수 있고 서울에 잘 샀다고 그래.
Because they're taking me because they have my food.
This.
Do you want me to like reopen these?
No. Good morning, everyone. It's another crusty morning, so I have my little orange hat on, but it's 12 o'clock, so that means it's my lunchtime, and I have a little burrito from Chick-fil-A because my mom went to Chick-fil-A this morning and got some for my sisters after her dentist appointment. So I have my little ketchup and my little burrito. Oh. Alright, so I just finished work and I'm actually really tired. The drowsiness and just tiredness is kind of catching up to me, but I wanted to actually make something for the last meal I'm gonna show. And I've been kind of craving pasta, so I'm gonna make pasta with some steak. And I just got back from grocery shopping, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Okay, it's fine.
Unless they get some icy juice.
Oh no, I can't get a clean scoop. Help me, help me. Hold the thing. Yes. 잘 먹겠습니다. I'm pretty good at this, guys.
Yeah, I don't think I can even